Want to make $100, $300, or even $1,000 a week, using only your phone? In this video, I'll show you 10 real, proven ways to make money online in 2025 using just your smartphone. No laptop, no experience, no upfront investment. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, traveler, or just want to earn some side cash, this video is your complete guide to phone-based income in 2025. Hey everyone, are you ready to turn your phone into a money-making machine in 2025? In today's video, I'm going to reveal 10 powerful ways you can earn real money online using just your smartphone. That's right, no laptop needed, no fancy skills, and no big investment. We're talking about using apps, AI tools, content creation, micro tasks, and even launching your own digital product business, all straight from your phone. If you're ready to work from anywhere, earn on your terms, and finally make your phone pay you, keep watching.